The mantra method, a teaching tool that puts a different spin on learning by repetition. What is a mantra? It originates from the Sanskrit word mantra. Literally, a mantra is a tool for the mind, or an instrument of thought. What is the mantra method then? In the rest of this video, I will illustrate the mantra method by using the FBD mantra as an example. I teach in engineering mechanics. Here, students learn how to analyze mechanical systems. We start with static systems for the first 6 workshops before moving on to systems that move. In the first workshop of the semester, I solved this problem with the students. The carpenter carrying the board is stationary, and the question asks us to find the downward force that he feels on his shoulder at point A. This is the first time I introduce the FBD mantra. If you want to find an unknown force, identify an object on which this force acts. Draw the FBD for this object. So, for this problem, if you want to find the force at A, pick the bar as your object. Draw the free body diagram for this bar. Then you can go ahead and solve for FA. A week later, in workshop 2, the students are shown this picture of a loading jib. For this jib, they have to calculate the internal shear force V, normal force N, and the bending moment M at the cross section through point A. To help the students, all that I do is repeat the FBD mantra.
If you want to find an unknown force, identify an object on which this force acts. Draw the FBD for this object.
So, if you want to find V, N, and M at the cross section at A, pick an object on which these unknowns act. Draw the FBD for this object. Then go ahead and solve for these unknowns. In subsequent workshops, the students and I keep repeating the FBD mantra at least once in different problem contexts. Now, let's make a time jump to workshop 11, towards the end of the semester. We are dealing with moving objects. This is a system that accelerates to the right at 20 meters per second square. The question asks students to compute the force FA acting on the roller due to the rod OB. The question I ask the students is, what will you do? And the students say,
if you want to find FA, identify an object on which this force acts. Draw the FBD for this object.
Hey, the FBD mantra worked.